Welcome to JH. This progesterone cream is designed to support hormonal balance, specifically during the joy-filled eras of perimenopause and menopause. Each pump delivers 20 milligrams of bioidentical progesterone because apparently, our bodies decided to start a civil war the moment we hit 40. It's packed with shea butter and vitamin E, and users absolutely love the clean formulation. It's free from parabens, soy, gluten, dairy, and propylene glycol. Essentially, it's cleaner than your diet during a New Year's resolution. The cream is dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic, making it a safe bet for those with sensitive skin. Many have reported benefits like improved sleep, fewer hot flashes, and actual mood stability. One user even suggested just rubbing it on your tummy or rotating through your arms and thighs, claiming, "That's it. If only fixing the rest of our lives was that simple." Of course, results can vary, and some individuals might experience side effects like skin irritation or allergic reactions. It's always a brilliant idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are already juggling other medications. Overall, SMNutrition's PROGESTO-Life cream is a solid natural choice for those seeking hormonal balance. Just be sure to monitor for any adverse reactions, because let's face it, your body has enough surprises for you already.